All right, 2016 certified pre-owned Honda CR-V. It's an EX. We're gonna go over great details about the car. Stay tuned with this. So let's start from the beginning here for you. You got the hard front here, Lexington's. That way you know for sure in case any rocks hit that actual front for your headlight, won't make any more dents, things of that sort as well for you. You also have the breakaway mirrors. Including the breakaway mirrors, you see the lane watch with a privacy glass. I'm gonna show you exactly what's inside the trunk. We'll go over it in detail. All right, we're gonna finish up in the back as well too for you. You'll notice the 60-40 split. Ample trunk spacious as well. You can put anything you like inside there. Smooth side as well. If you know here, you'll actually know that the spare's down there, just in case anything matters in that case. And these handles here would actually handle the seats coming down as well too for you. Okay? Okay, coming back on the inside here, you'll notice that you got the passenger side, passenger room, one of the seats being down. See how that comes up, and the actual seat comes folded back into as well for you, just in case you need more space. Come up to the front, you'll notice you got heated seats, moonroof. Audio, video control done from just your steering wheel, backup camera. Listen, there's a whole lot of amenities to this vehicle. I'd like to go over them with you. All right, just the finishing touches here. Again, my name is Mike McKinnon. I'm here at Delaney Honda, right across the street from Walmart. Again, that's 115 Lenz Rd. Okay, definitely come down and see me so we can go over and take a look at this Honda CR-V. Again, certified pre-owned. So that way you know for sure that you and your family will be taken care of during this ride on this vehicle here. I'm looking forward to seeing you. The number to reach me will be 724-717-1500.